everyone, this is Crystal Adamo with the Crystal Adamo Real Estate team over at RE/MAX Rocky View Real Estate. Today I'm really happy to show you 204 Meadowbrook Bay. This beautiful home has been completely renovated and is very modern in all its styling. It's got a total of 5 bedrooms and measures at over 2,300 square feet of developed living space. 4 bedrooms up and 1 down. There's so many beautiful things to love about this home, and I really hope you enjoy it. Take a look.